Here's how to add games manually to the Nvidia app when they are not being detected automatically. Open the Nvidia app and go to Settings in the bottom left. Scroll down to Games and Apps and click Scan Now. Once the scan finishes, go to Graphics on the left sidebar. This shows every application and game currently detected. If your game is not listed, the issue is almost always the scan location. Go back to Settings, scroll to Scan Locations and click View and Modify. Check whether your game's installation drive is listed. By default, the Nvidia app scans your C drive in Program Files, which covers most Steam and Epic games. If you have games installed on a secondary drive like a D or E drive, it will not appear in the scan because the Nvidia app does not know to look there. Click Add and select the drive or specific folder where your game is installed, then run another scan. If the game is still not listed after adding the correct location, click View Supported Games and Applications. This takes you to Nvidia's website with a full list of supported titles. If your game is not on that list, it is simply not compatible with the Nvidia app and cannot be added regardless of where it is installed. If the game is on the supported list but still not detected, reinstall the Nvidia app from scratch. Go to Settings, then Apps, find the Nvidia app, uninstall it, and download the latest version directly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.